Hello everyone, this is Donna from My Artastic Life, and I have to deeply apologize because I am long overdue to record this video. This is the junk journal I received from Sandra for the swap with Junk Journal Junkies. It's the All About Bird swap. And Sandra sent me some extra goodies here. And she made these absolutely gorgeous flowers, all handmade. When I saw the packaging before I read the note that she sent, I would have never guessed that they were handmade. Just the packaging and everything looks so professional. I totally thought they were store-bought, but she made these. They are gorgeous. Along with that, she sent some extra goodies. Some tickets. A beautiful embellished paper clip. I absolutely love them. They're just wonderful. There's a couple of beautiful tags that were embossed, and it looks they look coffee stained or tea stained. And then there are some doilies. Absolutely love them. I can use all of these in my journals and projects that I create. Thank you so much, Sandra. Oh, let me see here. Is there, oh, and there is also in the package some more tickets. Thank you so much. I love it all. And I do apologize for taking so long to get this video done. In fact, I have not even had a chance to do much with the journal yet, other than look through it. My mom was in the hospital for a while, then my kids got sick, and then I got sick, and just, it's been really crazy around here. I haven't had a whole lot of time to create my own journals and work on my own projects. In fact, I've been working on one journal for almost 2 months now that my husband's asked me to do for one of his co-workers' wives. And I think I'll be done today. It's absolutely crazy. So hopefully I'll have that video up soon. And this is the journal. It's absolutely gorgeous. Let me just zoom out a little bit here. So you can see this. It tied with this beautiful ribbon, the brown ribbon here, and it just wraps around. I absolutely love the image on the front cover, and I love the corner punch. It looks like a leaf. I want that punch. That's beautiful. You'll have to tell me where you got that punch from. Let's just bring that in a little closer. That is just gorgeous. As we open up here, I'm going to go ahead and set this down, and hopefully I'll stay in frame as I have this on my tripod today. And if I miss anything, just let me know, and I'll be sure to share more, take some extra pictures if you'd like to see. Beautiful stamped image of a bird here that it looks like she's colored in. Very nice. Has a pocket in the front cover. A bird does not sing because it has an answer. It sings because it has a song. Chinese proverb. Little tuck spot here. And she's done some sewing where she sewed that in. Like the flowers on the side here. The other side of that tuck spot. Another tag. Hope is the thing with feathers that perches in the soul and sings the tune. I love the paper you've used. Just beautiful paper. That's all coffee dyed or tea dyed. I want to say this is probably tea dyed because It's a little bit lighter than when I do my coffee dyeing. A little punched out envelope or card here that you can journal in. I love this. It's like a glassine bag or a vellum paper that has birds printed on it. It's absolutely beautiful. And she's sewn that in. And inside there she has a bird tag. I'm just going to kind of go through this quickly. I have my little ones out in the living room, and they don't always give me a chance to get in my office either. Excuse me. I'm still getting over that cough. It's been lingering for a month. It's crazy. Some little tags in these bags. Tags and bags, it rhymes. Little bird stamps on each one. Paper, one of the embellished paper clips. Another bird tag here. I'm sorry if I'm out of frame. A little envelope with a card and a stamped bird. Some paper to journal on. I love the corner punches that she uses. They're absolutely gorgeous. Envelope. Another index card with a bird. The bird dares to break the shell, then the shell breaks open and the bird can fly openly. This is the simplest principle of success. You dream, you dare, and you fly. That's beautiful. Some more journaling paper. I love this ribbon trim, lace trim there. I love the sound of the paper. Another pocket and tag. Bird. Just beautiful images that she's used. Some more tags. Absolutely just gorgeous. She's put together an amazing journal. Tags with those corner punches. Those are beautiful. Please share where you got the corner punches or which ones you use. Birdie. And I love how the birdie kind of shows through the window again. This is another one of those vellum pages with the birds printed on it and sewn in. That's gorgeous. Oh, I love this doily. She sprayed it. It's just absolutely gorgeous. Little tuck spot there. And these are just wonderful little birdies on the sewn in signatures. Tag. Skip the page. Another one of those bags or pockets that she's created with the vellum. Journaling spots. Pocket with some journaling paper inside. Some journaling cards. I hope I'm staying in frame here. Another one of those pages is vellum. Love that. Absolutely love it. Pretty little envelope. There's so much in here. She has gone way over and beyond. This is just lovely, and I cannot wait to start using it. A wise old owl sat in an oak. The more he saw, the less he spoke. The less he spoke, the more he heard. Why aren't we like that wise old bird? I love these little quotes in here that she's chosen. More tags. Another embellished paper clip. Little tuck spot. Love, love, love this paper. Little glassine bag with some journaling paper. Another corner punch on it. And here we are at the end. Another tuck spot. Some more of that beautiful ribbon and lace trim here. There's a pocket on the inside and a little book added in to journal on. Sandra, thank you so much. I'm so sorry it's taken me so long to get this recorded and put up, and I love this. It's absolutely beautiful. I can't wait to start using it, and all the goodies you've sent are just wonderful. Thank you so much. Hopefully we can do another swap in the future. Have a wonderful day, and bye-bye. Thank you everyone for watching. Be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you like this video. Bye-bye.